How is everyone doing today? I have my Christmas jumper on because I'm in the Christmas spirit. You can't tell me nothing. Guess who had their last day of school today?
Mama.
Guess.
Mama.
Guess who had their last day of school today? Guess who had their last day of school today? Rema. Oh, my baby is feeling a bit poorly. She has a bit of a cold, and her teacher had to tell me she was coughing all day. She couldn't really take part in the fun. But guess who had her teacher's award? My baby is an absolute star. So she's been bagging this head teacher award back to back, right, Rema? So do you want to show off your head teacher's award to the fam, the YouTube fam? I actually have posted it here, so let me show you guys.
Guys.
Head teachers, Rema has so many certificates, guys. Like, my baby is a star. But look at who bagged the head teachers award. Back to back. Like, come on. Come on. Yes, Aaron, what do you have to say?
We have a bug and the window shine.
Okay, Aaron is on an adventure for a bug hunt. I don't know who and who is doing the bug hunts with him, but he's very keen on doing some bug hunts. You and Kayla, okay. So where are you going to go and look for those bugs?
It's over here.
It's over where?
Yeah.
Outside, okay. You'll be the only one to go and look for that bug hunt. Rema, baby. You okay, babes? Yeah? Good. So the kids close early from school today. There's really not much to do. I just want to make some yummy stew and rice because Rema requested special request. Oh baby, you're quite warm. Do you want hot chocolate? Oh yeah, I said I was gonna make you hot chocolate, isn't it? Okay, so let's make hot chocolate. So Rema wants some Christmas inspired hot chocolate, so we'll put some marshmallows inside with some cream. Maybe that will make her feel better. And then I'll be making some stew, turkey and chicken stew for us to eat later. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to have a quick check-in with you guys. How is everyone doing? Yeah, the kids are finally on holiday now, so no more school runs. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to what is gonna happen in the next couple of days. And yeah, hope everyone is doing okay. Let me just sort out these kids and make some stew, and I will see you guys soon.
Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. It's almost Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. I know you be carrying a load. Just touched down from the North Pole. Your ride was so icy cold. Wanna come in from the snow. Well, it's like,
hey Hey my love, so I'm just currently boiling the turkey now. I've sorted out Rema's hot chocolate. Aaron also wanted hot chocolate, so I made that for him. The turkey is currently boiling and I just wanted to sit and chat with you guys. Guys, guess what? I finally found where I can watch the Real Housewives of Lagos. Showmax used to show this Housewives of Lagos on their UK network, only for season 2 to come out, and they said they are not currently streaming in UK or abroad. It's just limited to Nigeria. And I'm like, why would you make people pay money for subscription and only for the show to come out and you guys are chatting rubbish that it's not currently streaming in UK Showmax? Apparently all the episodes of The Real Housewives of Lagos, I've been catching up on it on TikTok. So there have been some lovely people there who has been, showing us the whole series on TikTok. However, it's not the same viewer experience, that enjoyable viewer experience that you would have when you are watching it live, like on TV, because they might cut and chop some things just to make it quick. But however, I'm still grateful to that. But only for me to find out that there's this app called Hayu. This popular YouTuber who I follow, Fumi Desalu, was the one that actually told us about it. It's called the Hayu app. I didn't walk, I ran. If I almost broke my leg as well. I was running to go and subscribe to this app. So that's the app, guys. It's called the Hayu app, and I just downloaded it on my TV. And lo and behold, they're actually showing the Real Housewife of Lagos. They even do the Real Housewife of Atlanta, New York, and all those reality TV shows. So I'm so excited, and yeah, we have it, Real Housewife of Lagos. Come on. That just got me really excited. So, hey guys, the other day I went to Zara. I did get some few things and from Zara and even Boots. So I wanted to just show you guys all the things I got. I wasn't really impressed with what Zara had on. I don't know what's going on. All the colors are really dull. Nothing actually strikes me like wow, straight off the bat. So I wasn't quite impressed, but I knew that I needed some long sleeve top, so I only got 2 things because I just feel like Zara is overpriced. Like it's mass production. There's no difference between Zara and Shein if you ask me. I said what I said. I feel like it's overpriced, but it's just a household name that I find myself still running to. Not because they have any special quality they are offering, but just because it is Zara in quotes. But yeah, because I'm very sure these things I got from Zara, I will see them on Shein. But anyway, I got this bodysuit from Zara. It's a long sleeve cotton bodysuit and it has collars. I like the material because it's very warm and very cozy, and yeah, I just needed to get this because of the cold, something to keep me warm. This is in navy blue and this is what it looks like. I got it for £19.99, so £20. Also, I think this is the only thing I really liked in Zara that stood out to me. It was this oversized pocket cargo top. This is what it looks like. And I got it in khaki color. It has oversized pockets. I'll be sticking a picture of what it looked like when I wore it on the side, but I really like this top. It's cropped as well, and I got it in extra large because I didn't want it to be too tight. I could have gone away with the large, but extra large was actually fine for me, and this was £25.99. Let's just say £26, sure. So I mean, is it worth £25.99? I don't know, but the quality of this one is actually really thick. So for the winter, it would do the work. It would keep me warm. The quality is not bad at all. And it doesn't look like something that once you wash once, it will fade. So I guess maybe worth it. Who knows? So yeah, I think that's all I got from Zara. Like I said, I wasn't impressed with anything I was seeing there. And I'm trying to cut cost, okay? I don't want to be spending anyhow. So I did go to Boots and I got myself a set of Real Techniques brush. I mean, I felt like I needed to add more brushes to my brush collection, because I just feel like every time I do my makeup, all my brushes are finished. Then I have to be washing every time I have to do my makeup. And I just want to have like spares. So even if I've used up one set, I will always have another one to fall back on. So this is the Real Techniques brush. I got the blush, the foundation, this highlighting one and eyeshadow one, and the beauty sponge. So yeah, I'm excited about that one. And then I did mention I also got the Dior lip gloss. This is what it looks like. I've heard a lot about these lip glosses. And because I have a small lips, I always gravitate towards gloss or lip glosses that would give me that plumbing effect. So apparently Dior, a lot of people have been using this lip gloss, say it actually gives you like a filler effect. This is what it looks like. It has like a peppermint feel to it. Actually, can you see, guys? Let me come closer. It just gives this subtle plum effect on your lips. So I guess, is it worth the price they sell it for? I don't know, but we'll see, because it doesn't look like there's a lot in this bottle, but it's Dior, right? But yeah, actually I'm not mad at it at all. You can always rock this if you don't even feel like putting lip gloss, lipstick on or whatever. Just put a bit of lip pencil and just apply this and you're good to go. That is all I got. I really needed the things I got anyway, let me just put it that way. But things have really gone up in price, guys. Even when I'm doing shopping, everything has just gone up in price, and I find myself picking something and just dropping it and looking at the price like, what's going on? What's really going on? Oh, then, and one last thing, guys. My husband got me a journal. It's a 2024 journal and I'm so excited. It's always good to start to plan ahead for the new year from now. You know, planning out my schedule, my life, everything. So this year we're being intentional about our life, about planning, about just getting things right on the very first goal. There's just a whole lot of planning to do and I can't wait. Let me know, guys, have you gotten yourself a journal ahead of 2024 journal? Let's take something for the thumbnail.
Hello, thumbnail.
But anyway, still in the Christmassy spirit, I just want to catch up on some reality TV shows and edit my vlog for today. I haven't actually started editing anything for today, so I need to edit and post a vlog for today. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I love this. And I decided to cook fried rice instead of just plain white rice. This was literally last minute. Sorry I didn't vlog it, guys. I was just not in the mood to hold any camera while I was cooking. But yeah, food is ready. The fried rice was very last minute, but it turned out well. And I wish there were more vegetables. I literally used the last vegetable in my freezer. But yeah, we'll make do with that. But it's very yummy. I put some kidney in it and some prawn, so it's quite rich, if I have to say so myself. And this is a Turkish stew already. I've added some roasted chicken in there as well. So yeah, dinner is ready and I'll just be serving this, and that's it. Guys, food is ready. Come and join me. I'll just eat now and go and do my editing. I'm running behind schedule, but yeah, I'll be ending the vlog here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.
Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay. It's almost Christmas Day, you've been waiting to slay.